to my channel Prodbug, and in this chapter let's quickly look at the operators, simple operators in Kotlin, and later on we'll see the string operations. Okay, so operators like plus, minus, division, all these things we can look at here. Uh, I have created a function how to sum, and we are calling that function from inside the main function. Okay, and to run the Kotlin, you need to make a function like this, one main and some arguments, and then okay, so you cannot run this particular function directly. You have to make a main function. Okay, we declared a variable a, which is an integer as 20, and variable b as 10, and we are simply doing the sum, and we are printing sum in different ways. Okay, so one way which we have already discussed is a simple sum with some operator here. Okay, and this here we have created into the template, and here we are printing each and every variable um, A and B and the sum into the Spring template. Okay, okay. So yeah, so let me run this particular method, and we'll see the sum. 20 plus 10 is 30. We'll get the output as 30, and there are a lot of suggestions which we will look. So sum is 30, sum is 30, and there are a lot of printouts. So sum of 10 and 20 and 10 is 30. Okay, so this has been printed. Okay, so this is because Kotlin is asking us to convert into the template, which is this way. So you can remove this particular code and you can use the template version. And one more important thing, you can see here int is in dark. So explicitly given type is redundant here. Okay, so in the previous chapter, you have seen if we are in this particular class, B class, we have created variable inside the class. It's a Kotlin class. Okay, so here you need to specify like string, integer, all this variable. You have to mention the type. Okay, but here there is no problem. Yeah, but if we are writing in a function, then Kotlin is complaining. Okay, so let me remove if Kotlin is saying so. Let's listen to them. So I have removed them. Now there is no more suggestion, and let's run the code again. So basically the conversion, it will be implicitly converted to the integer because we have given here 20. So it would implicitly convert to a variable, and we don't need to specify any type. Okay, let's play some games, and let's make it 20. Okay, because it will be implicitly converted to a string this time, and let's see what will happen. So string plus 10. Let's see what will be the output. Okay, so now this 20 will be treated as a string, and string plus 10 is it will be 2010. Okay, so the actual sum has not been done because it's a string, and we have and it will not be able to convert into a integer by its own. So that's why the output is not the desired output which we thought. So I hope this thing is clear. And similarly, rather than plus, you can use minus here. Okay, you can use division and the multiplication, and accordingly the output will be. So you can try from your end, and you can just play around with all this operators. So multiplication 2010 200 is the output of this code. Yeah, and in the next chapter we are going to see all the comparison, and it's a big one, so we'll see in the next chapter. Till then, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. Keep learning.